Okay, let's do an example here where we're talking about graphing a polynomial function and using your calculator. So this is where we have to be careful when you're using your graphing calculator. And this is where you have to use your knowledge of analyzing polynomial functions like we've been dealing with in this section so far. And then also keeping that in mind when you're using the calculator. Okay, don't just use the calculator blindly without thinking about what the calculator is showing you. Okay, what I mean by that is this. What if I put this function in the calculator and graphed it, and this is what I got. Here's my window, here's what I have. Okay, now, if I just went in and basically, let's say for the example of finding the zeros, right? Let's say I wanted to find all the zeros of the function, and so I used my calculator to find this one, and this one, right? And if you're not careful, you might think, oh, that's it. I got all my zeros, right? But you'd be wrong. Because if you look at the function, you would know that there's a missing zero. There are 4 zeros here, right? In fact, you're missing the 0 right here because your window wasn't correct. So again, also make sure that you look at, okay, well, what about the number of turning points? Well, this has 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a degree 4, right? Which means that there could be at most 3 turning points. Right here, there's only 2, so there might be 1 missing, right? Also, even more importantly, if you look here, there are, what, 4 zeros, right? And all of the multiplicities of these zeros are 1, which means it has to cross the x-axis 4 places, right? So again, that goes hand in hand. So you're missing a part of the graph where it crosses a 4th time. Okay? In this case, anyway. All right. So again, this is just a little bit of, when you're using the calculator, just be careful and make sure you don't forget what we're learning just because you're using the calculator. Okay? So that's it. Have a great day.